Example number 5, chapter 1. Consider the number 4 raised to n. Consider the number 4 raised to n, where n is a natural number. Where n is a natural number. Check whether there is any value of n for which 4 raised to n end with the digit 0. ऐसी कोई भी वैल्यू n की पॉसिबल है जो उसका डिजिट यूनिट डिजिट इज 0. Let ends with the digit 0. तो if the number 4 raised to n, कौन सा नंबर है हमारे पास? If the number is 4 raised to n, for any integer n, n is an integer. N is an integer. Where if a number end with the digit 0, end with the digit 0, कोई भी नंबर का डिजिट एंड विद द डिजिट 0 होगा. सपोज द नंबर इज 10. व्हाट इज द प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ 10? 2 into 5. What is the, suppose the number is 40, तो 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. तो कंपलसरी एक फैक्टर क्या होगा? 2 और वन ऑफ द फैक्टर इज 5. कंपलसरी वन ऑफ द फैक्टर इज 2 and 5. दोनों होने चाहिए कंपलसरी. प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ 10 is 2 and 5. If the number end with the digit 0, if the number end with the digit 0, the prime factorization of the number is 2 और 5 बोथ. तो 2 और 5 दोनों होना चाहिए. तो were to end with the digit 0, then it would be divisible by 5. वो नंबर 5 से divisible होगा कंपलसरी. If the number end with the digit 0, then the number is divisible by 5. कोई भी नंबर ले लो जिसका यूनिट डिजिट 0 है तो वो ऑलवेज 5 से डिविजिबल होगा. सपोज द नंबर इज 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. कोई एनी वन नंबर. So that number is divisible by 5 because the divisibility rules of 5. Okay, so here the number is 4 raised to n. 4 raised to n prime factor is, what is the prime factor of 4? That is 2 square. Prime factor of 4 that is equal to 2 square and raised to n as it is, or 2 into n that is equal to 2n. Therefore 2 raised to 2 to n. So therefore what is the prime factor of 4? Prime factor of 4 is 2 only. That is only 2. So the only prime in the factorization of 4 is 10 is 2. What is the prime factor of 4? Prime factor of 4 क्या आएगा? Only 2 आएगा. पर if the number end with the digit 0, तो उसका one of the factor क्या आना चाहिए? 5 तो आना ही चाहिए. पर यहाँ पे 5 नहीं आया. 5 इसमें नहीं है. Therefore, so there is no natural number n for which 4 is to n end with the digit 0. तो वो उसका कोई भी पावर ले लो, 4 का कोई भी पावर ले लो, वो कभी 0 unit digit is not equal to 0. That means the number end with the digit 0 is not possible. तो ऐसा कोई भी नंबर नहीं है जो 4 का पावर कोई भी नंबर होगा वो end with the digit 0 होगा. ओके, check whether 6 raised to n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number. If the number is 6 raised to n for any a, were to end with the digit 0, यहाँ पे लिखा है can end with the digit 0. Were the number end with the digit 0, then it would be divisible by 5. कोई भी नंबर का 0 से एंड होता तो वो 5 से डिविजिबल होता ही है कंपलसरी. That is equal to 6 raised to n. 6 raised to n. What is the factor of 6? Prime factor 2 into 3 raised to n. That is equal to 2 raised to n into 3 raised to n. Yes or no? 2 raised to n into 3 raised to n. So the only prime factorization, only prime in the factorization of 6 raised to n is 2 and 3 only. 2 and 3 दो ही फैक्टर है. क्या होना चाहिए? 5 होना चाहिए. तो 5 इसमें है. There is no prime factor of 5 in the prime factorization of 6. There is 2 and 3 only. So there is no natural number n for which 6 raised to n end with the digit 0. बस इतना ही करेक्शन करना है. समझ में आया? क्लियर? Find the SCF and LCM by prime factorization method. First question 12, 15 and 21. Prime factor of 21. Prime factor of 12. Prime factor of 12. Prime factor of 12. What is 2 into 6? Or 6 के factor 2 into 3. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Therefore, prime factor of 12, that is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Prime factor of 15, that is 3 multiply 5. And prime factor of 21, that is equal to 3 into 7. SCF, that means highest common factor. SCF of 12, 15, 21. Which is a common factor in each three terms? That is 3. Therefore, SCF is equal to 3. Similarly, for LCM, that is a least common multiple. First, we write 2 into 2, highest. Highest power of 2 is 2 square. So 2 into 2. जितनी मैक्सिमम 2 कितनी बार है कोई एक नंबर्स में वो लिख दो. 2 into 2. Maximum number of times 3. 3 is only 1 times in each terms. Into 5 into 6. सभी नंबर्स आ जाएंगे इसमें. That means least common multiples. Highest power of 2 is 2. Highest power of 3 is 1. Highest power of 5 is 1. Highest power of 7 is 1. And that is 12 multiply 35. And that answer is 420. Therefore, LCM of 12, 15 and 21, that is equal to 20. That is equal to 420. Okay, clear? Bolo. Second one. Prime factor of 17. That is 17 into 1. Prime factor of 19. That is 19 into 1. And prime factor of 23. That is 23 into 1. And prime factor of 29. That is 29 into 1. Which is a common factor in each terms? That is equal to 1. Therefore, SCF of 17, 23 and 29, that is only 1. There is no common factor other than 1. And LCM of 17, 23, 29. Okay. 17 maximum, highest power of 17 is 1. Highest power of 23 is 1 time. And highest power of 29 is 1 time. Okay. And the product of 17 into 23, that is 391. 391 into 29. 391 into 29, 0, 2, 7, 8, 9, 81, 8, 27 plus 8, 35, 9, 3, 3, 11. So 1, 1, 3, 3, 9. That is the LCM of 17, 23 or 19. If you remember this, इससे नया हमें एक रूल्स मिलेगा. If prime factor, इसका एक नया रूल्स बनेगा. Not that point. Prime factors, SCF of 3 prime factors, 3 prime numbers. 3 prime numbers. SCF of prime numbers, that is equal to always 1. Prime number है तीनों, 3 prime numbers, that is equal to 1. And LCM of prime number, LCM of 3 prime numbers, 3 या 2 भी ले सकते हो. 3 prime numbers, that is equal to product of 3 numbers. That is equal to product of 3 numbers. Okay, that is equal to product of 3 numbers. Similarly, for next question, prime factor of 8. Prime factor of 8, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 raised to 3. That is equal to 2 raised to 3. Prime factor of 9, 3 into 3, that is 3 square. And prime factor of 25, 5 into 5, that is equal to 5 square. Therefore, SCF of 8, 9 and 25. There is no common factor. There is no common factor other than 1. That is SCF is 1. And LCM is highest power of the prime. Highest power of the prime. SCF means least power of the prime. Least power, least common power of the prime. And LCM is the highest power of the prime. Highest power of the 2 is 3. 2 raised to 3. Highest power of the 3 is 3 raised to 2. And highest power of 5 is 5 raised to 2. Okay. And 8 into 9 into 25. 25 is a 200. 200 into 9. That is equal to 1800. Therefore, SCF is 1. LCM is 1800. Okay, clear? Here, SCF is given. SCF of 306 and 657 is equal to 9. Find the LCM. इसमें A वाली formula use होगी. We know that the formula. Know that SCF multiply LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Here the two numbers are 306 and 657. That is one number, that is another number. That means product of two numbers means in दोनों का multiplication. What to find? Find the value of LCM of 306 and 657. Therefore, LCM is equal to product of two numbers divided by HCF. First number, that is equal to A is equal to 306. Second number, that is equal to B is equal to 657. Okay, therefore LCM of 306, 657, product of two numbers. Which two numbers? 306 into 657 divided by SCF. SCF is equal to 9. Okay, SCF is equal to 9. 9 3 multiply 34. See 4 0 7 3 21 2 17 1 18 plus 1 19 28 2 260 plus 2 262 8 3 3 2 2 2238. Therefore, LCM of these two numbers, that is equal to 22,338. And note that point. Rules is SCF of AB multiply LCM of AB, that is equal to A cross B. ये rules का हमने यूज किया है और ये rules याद रखना है. Okay?
सर माइक म्यूट छो.
A number is composite. There are two prime factors. Two or more than two factors. Two or more than two prime factors other than one. Other than one, it is called a composite number. There are two or more than two prime factors other than one, it is called a composite number. इस definition का यूज करके हम प्रूव करेंगे that number is composite. The question is 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. That is a one number, that is another number. This number is separated by addition sign. There are two terms. One terms and two terms. Another term. There are two terms. Term is separated by addition and subtraction sign. Which number is common? 13. 13 is common. 13 is common. Therefore, 7 into 11 plus 1. 13 ones are 30. Apply distributive law. Okay. 13 into 7 into 11 plus 1. 13 as it is. 11 7 are 77 plus 1. 77 plus 1, that is 78. There are two numbers, two prime numbers, factors other than 1. Yes, there are two prime factors other than 1. Therefore, 2 into 3 into 13, prime factor of 78. There are 2 into 3 into 13. 13 3 is 39, 2 is 78. There are more than two factors other than 1. There are more than two factors other than 1. Therefore, it is a composite number. There are more than two prime factors other than 1. Therefore, it is a composite number. It is a composite number. In second one, the number is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Which term is common? 5 is common. 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. 5 as it is रहेगा. 7 6 are 42. 42 4 are 168. 168 into 6. 168 into 6. 48 4. 96 plus 400. 1008 plus 1. And that is 5 into 1009. There are two factors other than 1. There are two factors other than 1. Okay. Therefore, there are two factors other than 1. Therefore, it is a composite number. It is a composite number. Okay, hence we prove. Here, Sonia to drive one round of the field is 18 minutes. 18 मिनट के बाद सोनिया वापस इसी पॉइंट पे आ जाएगी. ओके, इनिशियल पॉइंट स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है और वो दोनों ने इस डायरेक्शन में एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में दौड़ना स्टार्ट किया है. ओके, तो सोनिया to drive a one round of the field is 18 minutes and Ravi to drive one round of the field is 12 minutes. After how many minutes they will meet again? Okay, same direction, same point और same time पे start किया है. That means to find the LCM of 12 and 18. हमें 12 और 18 का क्या फाइंड करना पड़ेगा? LCM. Prime factors of 12. 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 square into 3 raised to 1. 2 into 3 into 3, that is 2 raised to 1, 3 raised to 2. LCM is highest power of the prime. Highest power of the prime. Therefore, LCM 12 and 18, highest power of the prime. 2 का power 1 और 2 का power 2. तो highest power कितना है? 2. 2 raised to 2. Highest power of 3 raised to 1, 3 raised to 2, that is 3 raised to 2. That is 4 into 9. After 36 minutes, they will meet again at the same point. Okay, therefore, 30 minutes, 36 minutes. After 36 minutes, they meet again. They will meet again at a same point. Same point. That is the final answer. 36 minutes. Okay. So example number 6. Find the LCM and SCF of 6 and 20. Find the LCM and SCF of 6 and 20. The prime factor of 6 is 2 into 3. Prime factor of 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. That is 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 1. 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 1. SCF means least power of the prime. SCF, that means least power of the prime. Least common power. SCF means least common power of prime. And LCM means highest common power of the prime. Highest common power of its prime. SCF means SCF of 6 and 20. Least power 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. That is only 2 raised to 1. 3 raised to 1, 3 raised to 5. There is no common factor. That is equal to 2 raised to 1, that is 2. And LCM of 6 and 20. 2 LCM means highest common power of its prime. 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to 1, 5 raised to 1. That is equal to 4 into 3 into 5, 15 4 ja 60. Therefore, LCM of two numbers is 60 and SCF is 2. Okay. Example number 7. Find the SCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method. The number is 996. Prime factor of 96. 16 6 are 96. Or 16 के factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Or 6 के factor 2 into 3. That is 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 1. 404. Prime factor of 404. 4 into 101. And 4 के prime factor 2 into 2 into 101. That is 2 square into 101. Okay, 2 square into 101. Find the SCF only by the prime factorization method. SCF of 96, 404. What is the meaning of SCF of 90? That is the least common power of the prime. Least common power of the prime. 2 raised to 5 और 2 raised to 2. इसमें छोटा पावर कौन सा है? 2 का 2 है. That is 2 raised to 2. That is equal to 4. Therefore, SCF of 96 and 404, that is equal to only 4. Okay. And find their SCF. Find their LCM by the method of, by the formula of SCF into LCM of, that is equal to product of two numbers. To find LCM, therefore LCM into SCF is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. Therefore LCM is equal to product of two numbers divided by LCM divided by SCF divided by HCF. Product of two numbers means which two numbers are given? 96 and 404. Divided by SCF. SCF of two number is equal to 4. And that is 101 divided by 4. 404 divided by 4, that is 101. That is 96 into 101, that is 9696. And that is the LCM of two numbers is 9696. Okay. The LCM of two number is 9696. See. The numbers are 6, 72 and 120. See, prime factor of 6 is 2 into 3. It is 2 raised to 1, 3 raised to 1. Prime factor of 72, 12 6 and 12 के factor 2 into 2 into 3 or 6k factor 2 into 3. How many times 2? 3 times. How many times 2? 3. 2 times. And prime factor of 120, that is 15 8 2 into 2 into 2 8 and 3 into 5, that is 15. That is 2 raised to 3, 3 raised to 1, 5 raised to 1. What is the meaning of SCF? SCF means least common power of the primes. सबसे कॉमन पावर 2 का क्या है? 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3, that is 2 raised to 1. 3 raised to 1, 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 1, that is 3 raised to 1 is common power. That is 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. Therefore, SCF of two numbers, that is equal to 6. And LCM of two numbers, that is highest power of the prime. Highest power. 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3, that is 2 raised to 3, highest power. 3 raised to 1, 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 1, 3 raised to 2. 5 raised to 1 only one time. That is 8 multiply 9 multiply 5. 72, 5 ja 360. Therefore, the LCM is 360 and SCF is equal to 6.